Welcome and thank you for joining me in this anxiety-relieving guided meditation. Please begin by setting your body in the original meditation posture. Cross your legs and form a triangle foundation for your spine. Straighten your back. Bring your shoulders down from your ears. And as you breathe in, bring the chest slightly in front of you. Gently settle your palms on your knees. Hug them with your fingers and allow them to rest here. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting your entire body. Connect with the earth and allow it to anchor you here. Imagine roots growing out of your spine and feet, down toward the earth's core. Breathe and relax your entire body. Feel yourself becoming heavier and heavier. Breathe profoundly and set the intention to ground yourself. Now begin to observe your breath. Become conscious of your inhale and exhale. Be present and observe in which part of the body is your breath. Is it within your chest or abdomen? Can you feel the subtle differences between your inhale and exhale? Become aware of each sensation that your breath brings within. Observe. Now focus all your intention on the tip of your nose and breathe deeply, only into your abdomen. Breathe in and out through your nose. In out. In and out. Slowly begin to bring your awareness to your forehead. Breathe in. Breathe out and allow your forehead to relax. Feel your eyes relaxing as well, along with your temples. Gently relax your cheeks. Your lips and tongue. Allow your jawline to drop and loosen up. Help your body release the stress and anxiety gathered within each muscle. Become conscious of the power of your breath and presence. Be aware that anxiety can only exist in an overthinking mind. Begin to rear your thoughts by being present within your respiration. Relax your body with each breath out and release all the tensions and low emotions down into the earth. Visualize your stress and anxiety flowing within and intend to send them down through your roots and into the core of the earth to transform in higher vibrations of love and compassion. See them leaving your body as you breathe out slowly. Allow yourself to release all the low-frequency emotions existing within. Let them go. Breathe. Continue this practice as long as you feel the need. Be aware that your mind might try to overthink or distract you. Allow yourself to be aware of that. Each time you catch yourself wandering through a thought, thank it and kindly return your awareness to your breath. Be patient and kind to yourself. Acknowledge that it takes time and practice. But one day, you will find yourself living in a different state of mind. A peaceful and present one. Now, when you feel ready to end this meditation, thank the earth for cleansing and sustaining you. Thank yourself for taking this time. With love, bring your palms to your heart. Open your eyelids slowly and continue this day in a state of entire presence and awareness. voiceover.millie@gmail.com